Okay, so let's start this opening. Actually, I picked up this pack yesterday around 11 at night because I have been working until 10. So actually I wanna do this video yesterday, but it was too late and light was terrible. So I waited till the morning, and I'm still working today very soon. So I decided to make this now. Okay, let's make this easier. I'm very curious how they are packed. Okay, so here we go. We have alocasia dragon bread. So I don't know. It looks amazing. Have 5 leaves. I think one is kind of damaged, but it's fine. Looks amazing. And then let's open more. Yes. It's kind of messy here. Okay, next one. What it's gonna be? So I ordered those plants 2 days ago from here, from Sweden. Oh, yay! So then we have Philodendron squamiferum with this fuzzy things. Look at this. I mean, of course, I'm gonna unpack everything more and report and everything. So yes. Okay, super warm here, and I'm so excited. And it's 9 in the morning. Soon I have to go to work. But let's try another one. Oh my God, I know what it is. I know what it is. Well, if you watch my last video, I have been moved 2 weeks ago with my plants, and I need more plants. Totally. I just don't know where I'm gonna find time for this. We'll see. Okay, another alocasia mellow. Looks so beautiful so far. And yeah, I always want this alocasia. I love the silver leaves and the structure. So this is my 5th alocasia. I hope I'm not gonna kill it. Okay, next one, it's gonna be 4th. Last big one. It's my first plant from those types. It's gonna be anthurium. And you're gonna see which one. I hope I'm not gonna kill it. No, well, that's how you learn. Anthurium crystallinum silver blush. Wow, nice. Looks so nice. Yep, it's my first anthurium, so if you have some tips, let me know. I'm gonna be super thankful and grateful. And yeah, I think it's so much bigger than I order. I order small, and this is medium like everything else, so maybe I just got some extra gift. Well. Okay, and now we have some small plants like cuttings. First is Ceropegia woodii variegata. So I got this in a small sphagnum moss bag. Yep. So nice. Okay, so another one we have, this is philodendron nangaritens, fuzzy petiole, sticking. It's just a bit damage from this delivery, I think, but we'll see how this gonna look. So far, look like this. Yeah, I hope it's gonna survive. I even forgot. Oh no, the leaf is broken. The big one. Well. This was not really smart packing. Should be taped to the carton so it's not flying around. And the last one we have Begonia Rex Arctic Breeze. Okay, so let's see. Nice. Yeah, it's very broken, this leaf. I'm kind of disappointed how we can pack like this. The general, it's not amazing. Should I email them? Yeah, maybe I'm gonna, because it's not okay, I think. Well, my first unboxing, but I know that's very important to pack those things very gentle. Well, otherwise, I'm super happy. I have some new plants to thrive in my new apartment. So thank you so much for watching. Soon I'm gonna update some video about how I restyle my apartment. And of course, I'm gonna give you update about the new plants and how they look. And still I have a more, I think 10 I didn't show you yet. I just bought them randomly through the days. So see you next time. So hello one more time. I just want to give you some kind of update about the plants and my last unboxing. So yeah, I contacted the shop and they were super nice, and yeah, they just absolutely agreed to just give me money back for this. So I'm super thankful, and I'm gonna try to save them anyway. Um, but it's very nice, and now I'm dealing with space. Try to find for my new plants, and in general try to rearrange everything, but so far it's going super well, so I'm gonna show you what I did so far in next video.